Hey everyone, welcome to our spring update. I'm Aaron, and today we're diving into the latest changes in the Data Productivity Cloud, including new features and improvements to boost your data productivity. So let's jump into the new features, starting with AI. Copilot now features agentic architecture, using natural language to build and maintain pipelines and handle data quality. It intelligently selects sources and applies advanced transformations, and validates logic for complex tasks like multi-step joins and data enrichment with less effort. This allows Copilot to determine optimal pipeline design, choose the right components, and explain its reasoning. It can automate more intricate data challenges, enhancing team efficiency across all experience levels. The Google Vertex AI prompt component integrates with Vertex AI LLMs, accepting text, images, audio, and video inputs alongside user-defined prompts. It processes these inputs and returns text-based outputs, enabling sophisticated data manipulation and understanding within your workflows. For example, you can analyze customer reviews, social media images with comments, and call center audio to classify overall sentiment, providing a holistic view of customer feedback. The ML classification component available on Data Productivity Cloud for Snowflake uses Snowflake's machine learning to categorize data based on pre-trained models, supporting binary and multi-class tasks. Use it for predicting customer churn or detecting fraud. By inputting data aligned with your trained model's features, the component outputs predictions with associated probabilities, facilitating targeted actions like focused marketing campaigns. New to using the designer is the SAP NetWeaver component. This enables direct data extraction from SAP NetWeaver systems using methods like IDOC, BAPI, and OData. Configure it with your SAP system details and extraction method to retrieve data such as sales orders and customer information for integration into your data warehouse. The Manage Artifacts feature provides enhanced control over data pipelines. View all published versions, schedule deployments, and roll back as needed. Pipeline schedules remain active even with code changes or deletions. Supporting branching strategies like Git flow, it streamlines development and CI/CD, allowing for instant rollback for testing and seamless promotion of artifacts across environments. Also new is System Variables. System Variables offer dynamic access to pipeline execution details, like environment names or pipeline IDs, enabling context-aware pipeline behavior and access to child pipeline variables. Use them for dynamic error handling and custom audit logging. Also, you can now use post-processing. Post-processing allows immediate actions after component execution, accessing component-specific metrics like row counts. A key use case is capturing component output metrics into variables for subsequent pipeline logic, simplifying design. On our public roadmap, you can contribute ideas and upvote existing suggestions. Here are some recent roadmap ideas that have made their way into the Data Productivity Cloud. For Snowflake users, copy grants. The copy grants clause is now supported in Create Table, Rewrite Table, and AI Prompt and Vector Query components, simplifying replication of object privileges. Transient Table Type. The Snowflake Create Table component now supports the transient table type for data that needs persistence but not recovery. You can now add an attachment in the Send Email component. You can select a file from an S3 bucket using the updated S3 attachment parameter in the Send Email component. And you can now also import from Exchange. Using this feature, you can import pre-built pipelines and other assets directly from the Matillion Exchange into Designer. In Designer, just click Add and then Browse Exchange to see the pipelines available to import. A link to the Matillion roadmap will be in the video description where you can raise your own ideas. Also new on the Data Productivity Cloud, we have some new connectors. The XADS component has been added. This component queries the XADS API to retrieve and load data. We also have new Flex connectors available for Coalesce, Zoom, and LinkedIn ads. So that's a wrap on the latest Data Productivity Cloud updates. That isn't everything, so for a complete list of all the changes, check out the Changelog. This will be linked in the description below. Subscribe to the channel for more updates and guides. Also, you can visit our public roadmap to contribute your ideas. To get started with the Data Productivity Cloud, visit Matillion.com.